My name is Mike, and when I purchased this house, this area was unlivable. So I got with Mustafa at DC Home Remodeling, and he got with Javier, the project manager, and we made the magic happen. Refurnished this whole basement. Check out this kitchen they installed down here. It's beautiful. I'm happy. I'm very pleased with their service. They did the flooring. Check out the lights they installed. Knocked down this wall right here. Installed this kitchen. Beautiful. Now, I want you to go check them out at dchomeremodeling.com and give them a try. Anything you need, they will provide it for you.